In recent years, the intersection of artificial intelligence, AI, and wildlife conservation has sparked significant interest and innovation. This emerging field has the potential to revolutionize how we monitor, manage, and protect endangered species and their habitats. As the world grapples with the escalating biodiversity crisis, AI offers promising solutions to address the complex challenges facing wildlife conservation efforts globally. Monitoring and surveillance. One of the primary applications of AI in wildlife conservation lies in its ability to analyze large volumes of data quickly and accurately. Traditional methods of monitoring wildlife populations often rely on labor-intensive fieldwork, which can be costly and time-consuming. However, AI-powered algorithms are transforming the way we track and monitor species by automating data analysis processes. Remote sensing technologies, such as satellites and drones equipped with high-resolution cameras, are increasingly being used to survey vast expanses of land and water. AI algorithms process the imagery captured by these platforms, enabling researchers to detect changes in habitat cover, identify species distributions, and monitor population dynamics. This remote monitoring approach is particularly valuable in remote or inaccessible regions where human presence is limited. Furthermore, AI algorithms are being employed to analyze data from camera traps, acoustic sensors, and other monitoring devices. These tools can identify individual animals, track their movements, and estimate population sizes with greater accuracy than traditional methods. By automating the analysis of wildlife data, AI enables conservationists to gain insights into species behavior, habitat use, and ecosystem health more efficiently. Species identification and tracking. AI's ability to recognize patterns and features is revolutionizing species identification and tracking efforts in wildlife conservation. With advances in computer vision technology, AI algorithms can analyze images and videos to identify individual animals based on their unique markings, colors, and features. This capability streamlines the process of cataloging wildlife populations and enables researchers to monitor species abundance and distribution more effectively. Moreover, AI-powered tracking systems are enhancing our ability to monitor the movement and behavior of endangered species in real time. GPS collars and tags equipped with AI algorithms can transmit location data and behavioral information, providing researchers with valuable insights into animal movements, migration patterns, and habitat preferences. These tracking systems play a crucial role in understanding how environmental changes, such as habitat loss and climate change, impact wildlife populations. Combating illegal wildlife trade. Illegal wildlife trade poses a significant threat to biodiversity, driving many species to the brink of extinction. From elephant ivory and rhino horn to exotic pets and live animals, the illicit trade in wildlife products fuels demand for rare and endangered species, driving populations towards collapse. However, AI is emerging as a powerful tool in the fight against illegal wildlife trade. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data from diverse sources, including social media, online marketplaces, and shipping records, to detect patterns indicative of illegal activity. By identifying keywords, images, and other indicators associated with wildlife trafficking, AI systems can help law enforcement agencies target and disrupt criminal networks involved in the illegal trade. Moreover, AI-powered predictive analytics can anticipate emerging trends and hotspots of illegal activity, enabling authorities to deploy resources more effectively. By combining AI with other technologies, such as geospatial analysis and remote sensing, law enforcement agencies can track the movement of illicit goods, intercept smugglers, and dismantle trafficking networks before they can cause further harm to wildlife populations. Conservation management and planning. AI is revolutionizing conservation management and planning by providing insights into complex ecological processes and dynamics. By analyzing environmental data, such as climate patterns, vegetation cover, and human activities, AI algorithms can predict how changes in the environment will impact wildlife populations and ecosystems. For example, AI-powered models can forecast the effects of climate change on species distributions, habitat suitability, and biodiversity hotspots. By simulating different scenarios and management interventions, these models help conservationists develop adaptive strategies to mitigate the impacts of climate change and preserve critical habitats for endangered species. Furthermore, AI is facilitating evidence-based decision-making and conservation planning by integrating data from multiple sources and stakeholders. By synthesizing ecological, social, and economic data, AI-powered decision support systems help prioritize conservation actions, allocate resources effectively, and engage local communities in conservation efforts. Case studies, examples of AI in action. Numerous projects and initiatives around the world are harnessing the power of AI to advance wildlife conservation goals. These case studies highlight the diverse applications of AI in monitoring, protection, and management of endangered species and their habitats. Smart Parks. Smart Parks is a pioneering initiative that uses AI-enabled sensors, cameras, and drones to monitor and protect wildlife in national parks and reserves. By deploying a network of interconnected devices, smart parks can detect and deter poaching activity in real time, safeguarding iconic species like elephants, rhinos, and tigers from illegal hunting. Wildbook. Wildbook is an AI-powered platform that creates digital databases of individual animals based on photographic data. By analyzing images and videos submitted by researchers and citizen scientists, Wildbook helps track and monitor species populations, identify individuals, and facilitate collaborative research efforts worldwide. Instant Wild. Instant Wild is a mobile app that allows users to contribute to wildlife monitoring efforts by submitting photos of animals and their habitats. Powered by AI algorithms, Instant Wild automatically identifies species and geolocate sightings, providing valuable data to conservationists and researchers. TrailGuard AI. TrailGuard AI is a groundbreaking anti-poaching system developed by the nonprofit organization Resolve. Using AI-powered cameras and sensors, TrailGuard AI detects human activity and alerts park rangers to potential threats in real time, helping protect endangered species from poaching and illegal logging. Challenges and ethical considerations. While AI holds tremendous promise for wildlife conservation, it also presents a range of challenges and ethical considerations that must be addressed. These include issues related to data privacy, algorithmic bias, and unintended consequences of deploying technology in natural ecosystems. Data privacy. The collection and analysis of wildlife data raise concerns about privacy rights, particularly regarding sensitive information about individual animals and their habitats. Conservation organizations must implement robust data protection measures to safeguard against unauthorized access, misuse, and exploitation of wildlife data. Algorithmic bias. AI algorithms are susceptible to bias, which can lead to inaccuracies and unfair outcomes, particularly in species identification and monitoring. It is essential to mitigate bias by ensuring diverse and representative training data, transparent algorithms, and rigorous validation processes. Unintended consequences. The deployment of AI technology in wildlife conservation may have unintended consequences for ecosystems and biodiversity. For example, the use of drones and other unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, can disturb wildlife, disrupt natural behaviors, and cause habitat disturbance. Conservationists must carefully consider the potential impacts of AI technologies on ecosystems and wildlife populations. Equity and access. Access to AI technology and expertise is not evenly distributed, raising concerns about equity and inclusivity in wildlife conservation efforts. It is essential to promote collaboration, capacity building, and knowledge sharing to ensure that all stakeholders, including local communities and marginalized groups, can benefit from AI-enabled conservation solutions. Artificial intelligence holds immense promise for transforming wildlife conservation by providing new tools, insights, and approaches to address the complex challenges facing biodiversity. From monitoring and surveillance to combating illegal wildlife trade and enhancing conservation management, AI is revolutionizing how we protect and preserve endangered species and their habitats. However, realizing the full potential of AI in wildlife conservation requires addressing a range of challenges and ethical considerations, including data privacy, algorithmic bias, and unintended consequences. By working collaboratively and responsibly, conservationists, technologists, and policymakers can harness the power of AI to create a more sustainable and equitable future for wildlife and ecosystems worldwide. Together, we can leverage AI's transformative influence to safeguard biodiversity and ensure a thriving planet for generations to come. Thank you for watching this insightful exploration of how AI is reshaping wildlife conservation efforts. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date on the latest advancements in technology and AI, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tech Talks AI. Subscribe to Tech Talks AI for more fascinating discussions on the intersection of technology and conservation, and join us as we delve deeper into the transformative potential of artificial intelligence in safeguarding our planet's biodiversity.